Search engine optimization is the process in which we maximize the number of visitors to your website by ensuring that your site ranks as best as possible on search engines like Google. These search engines use what's called an algorithm to determine how well a site will rank according to hundreds of ranking factors. These algorithms are kept secret, so it takes an experienced SEO specialist to figure out what is necessary for your website to be the most relevant and authoritative site for Google searches in your area. I know that sounds complicated, but that's what we're here for. Search engine optimization done right leads to more clicks to your website, more phone calls, and ultimately more cars in your shop bays. So how do we achieve that? Number 1, it starts by building you a great website. Number 2, choosing a set of keywords that represent the repairs that give you the highest return on your investment. Number 3, creating custom content that's optimized to target those chosen keywords. Number 4, monitor performance and execute ongoing optimization tactics to make certain we're maximizing conversions and generating quality leads for your shop. Contact us today so you can stay ahead of your competition and keep your shop full with the kind of repairs you really want to be doing.